Dear friends, today's topic is how to translate from one language to the other language. Okay, using Microsoft Edge. So let us see in detail. Just go to Microsoft Edge. So this is one of the sample document which I want to translate. Okay, so after opening the document in Microsoft Edge, right click open in Immersive Reader. It is opened. Now in order to translate these sentences, go to reading preferences. Under this last, translate is there. So in this, if you want to click Tamil language, you can click, or any other language. There are a lot many options given. From English to all these languages you can able to translate. Chinese, Czech, Dutch, French, German, Gujarati, Hindi, Kazakh, Korean, Lithuanian, Malay, Malayalam, Punjabi, whatever the language you want, you can able to select. I am selecting Tamil. Then click this page, translate entire page. Click it. Now the processing is going on. It is translating. Yes, this one. See here, the entire page has been translated from English to Tamil. See the bottom. Super. Okay. Now let me translate to Hindi. Hindi. Okay, translating. Hindi is going on. Okay, this is the Hindi version of this. Okay, nice. Let me translate in Malayalam. It's translation going on. So this is the Malayalam language. Okay, now Telugu I am translating. Yes, this is Telugu language. Similarly, you can translate to any language that you want. Okay, using Microsoft Edge. So here let me translate to Japanese. 1 minute. Let me translate to Japanese. See here, this is the Japanese language. Okay, let me translate to Chinese. Translation to Chinese going on. Okay, this is Chinese. Then Arabic, let me translate it to Arabic. Yes, super. This is Arabic language. Similarly, French, German. Let me translate to German. Looks like similar to English, German. Then one more French also will try. Translating to French language. Nice. Okay. Suppose if you don't want to translate the entire page, you can select only the particular page, right? $1 billion, right? So that means if you translate in Tamil, you can translate only this part. $1 billion, this one, okay? Okay, there is an option only to translate the entire page, whatever has been allotted, right? Otherwise, in order to translate only this, what you have to do is, you have to go back. You have to select this, then come. Right click, then you come. Okay, then using this wording, go to preference, translate it to Tamil. Now the entire page, if you go, only this quantity will come. $1 billion B2B. Okay. So this is Tamil language. Okay. So let me off it. So this is the process how to use translation in Microsoft Edge. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.